As the winter season comes to an end, many Fresno, California businesses are faced with the challenge of removing grime and dirt from their carpets caused by rain, mud, and salt. This not only affects the appearance of the carpet but can also lead to health issues for employees and customers. Cleaning carpets in a commercial environment is not an easy task, especially when dealing with different types of fibers and textiles. However, with state-of-the-art equipment and specialized cleaning methods, we can maintain clean and healthy carpets. One of the most effective methods for commercial carpet cleaning is the encapsulation cleaning technique. This method utilizes orbital vibration and soil encapsulation technology to clean carpets from all directions with up to 1,700 oscillations per minute. The unique cleaning method, which is certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute, uses 10 times less water than hot water extraction cleaning methods, resulting in reduced water usage and fast drying times. Relax and call Brent King today. Masters Touch Carpet Care has been cleaning carpet and tile flooring in Fresno, California area for 17 years now. We service over 100 commercial businesses in Fresno. Visit our website to schedule a free estimate or call Brent directly.